Namaskar students. Today we are going to discuss with a new subject, mass transfer to 5th sem chemical engineering. So your basic first question is, what is distillation or what is meant by distillation? First of all, distillation is the most important mass transfer operation of all the operations. It is the heart of chemical engineering process. So it is widely used in chemical engineering. So it is most important chapter for you. Distillation column is basically used in each and every chemical engineering operations. For example, crude oil distillation. You already learned this point in standard 8 or 9 or 10th. Crude oil distillation. Petroleum nu vibhagiya nisyandan. That is simple. Distillation is a separation technique. In which constituents of a liquid mixer. So there is a mixer of components, and with the help of thermal energy we have to extract or separate it. So it is a separation technique. Liquid mixers are separated by using thermal energy. Okay. For example, we have a mixture of 2 or 3 components. We heat the mixer. So what will come out from the mixer? First of all, vapor will come out from the mixer. Then after condensation we will get pure products. So in distillation basically 2 phases are involved. First one is liquid and second one is vapor. The pressure exerted by vapor on liquid is called vapor pressure. So vapor pressure is important term with respect to distillation. Now what is basic definition of boiling point? The temperature at which liquid starts to vaporize. That means here what we are doing, a mixture of liquid when heated, then very low boiling point component. For example, 3 components is there. The boiling point of 3 component is 80 degrees Celsius, 90 degrees Celsius and 110 degrees Celsius. Then by supplying heat, first of all, first component having 80 degrees centigrade boiling point is come in vapor form. Then after condensation it will be in a pure product form in liquid phase. So low boiling point means more volatile, or we can say it is lighter component, or high boiling point. So it is less volatile or heavier component. So it is, this concept is used in distillation. So basically mixers, when we hit them, then components are converted into a vapor form. Then step by step vapor come out from the distillation column, and by applying cooling facility or condenser facility, it will be get pure product, or we can say we will get pure product in liquid form. So it is the most important operations. Okay, you have to remember all these definitions. Now in distillation, two phases are involved, liquid and vapor. So there must be a equilibrium condition between the phases. So what is equilibrium? Equilibrium means what? So it is the condition at which net transfer of mass ceases, or we can say stop. The mass transfer is stopped. The condition at which mass transfer stop is called equilibrium. So here in distillation there is some stage at which equilibrium is observed. It is called equilibrium stage. Okay. Now what is driving force? So in mass transfer, constituents present with some mass or weight. So basically it is represented as the concentration. So low concentration, high concentration. So the mass transfer is basically depends on the amount that is present in a mixer. So driving force for mass transfer is concentration difference. As you know, the temperature difference is the driving force for heat transfer. Basically same here, concentration difference is the driving force for mass transfer operation. Okay, got it? Okay. Now as we know, there is a vapor and liquid, two phases are there. So equilibrium condition is there. So to learn distillation by very basic form, we must have to learn about VLE data, that is vapor liquid equilibrium data. So vapor liquid equilibrium data is obtained at two conditions, at constant pressure and at constant temperature. Okay, so this we will discuss in later. Okay, distillations sometime also called as fractionation. Okay, because we got a fractionated components, or it is called fractional distillation. Okay, already example is given, crude oil distillation, or more than two components we have to separate it by with the help of boiling point. Okay, so lower boiling point, that means more volatile component, or it is called lighter component. Higher boiling point, it is less volatile component, or say heavier component. Okay, got it? Thank you.